Alright, in this case study, what I want to do is I want to show you how we can problem solve a little bit uh, to show you a return on investment without incurring as much of a risk. So Dr. Butany at Dentistry on Lakeshore actually was referred to me by Dr. Pirani, who's one of my plastic surgeon customers, and he had been interested in growing his practice, but he felt like he was in a bit of a weird place because he wasn't really sure how to grow because he's located in Port Credit. So if you look at this map here, Port Credit is kind of on the water here, and it's about 15 minutes outside of Mississauga. And so we can't really market him as a general dentist to people in Mississauga, but there's not enough search volume in Port Credit. So what we did is we came up with a bit of a clever strategy to acquire new customers and to grow his business without the same level of risk. So what we did is we're running ads in Mississauga where people search on Google AdWords, but we're only running ads for higher ticket items like dental implants, wisdom case removal, cosmetic treatments, things of that nature, where even though we're going to spend a few more $100s to get a patient through the door, these are going to be patients who spend on average more than $1,000 when they come in. So if we can get $5,000 or $6,000 worth of revenue from surgical visits in Mississauga, we can then reinvest that money for SEO for Dentist Mississauga, which is a high volume keyword, and we know that a percentage of people will be happy to drive 15 minutes to visit him in Port Credit once he ranks organically. So this is called a blended strategy. It's where we use AdWords to get new patients through the door right away, and then we reinvest the profits from AdWords into SEO, which is his long-term strategy. So what I wanted to do, I'm not going to show you the AdWords account because there's not much to see. We're basically just targeting people in Mississauga who are looking for implants, wisdom teeth, things of that nature. But what I want to show you is where we were able to get his SEO. Now keep in mind, advertising for Mississauga dentists when you're located in Port Credit is quite challenging. So we know this is going to be a challenge, and we're only a few months into the strategy, but so far we're seeing some really good results. So let's take a look at how we're doing. And remember, the key words that we're trying to focus on here are Dentist Mississauga and Mississauga Dentist. Now, if you look at the keywords we have on the side here, the ones with the highest search volume, Mississauga Dentistry, where's Dentist? Dentist Mississauga. So those are really the ones that we're focused on. Now you can see, at the time I'm filming this video, he ranks number 23 and number 14, which is actually really good, because we're only a few months into his campaign, and we know this is an uphill battle. But when he does get to those top 1 to 3 spots, we know he's going to get a lot more new patients. So I want to show you the tracker chart here so that you can see what progress looks like, because SEO is really a journey, right? You're not going to get there right away like you will with AdWords. Getting to the top of Google takes time. So if we look at Dentist Mississauga and we look all time, you can see that he started not ranking, and that at the time I'm filming this video, he's seeing some progress, right? That's really what this is all about. Our expectation is that within another 6 to 9 months, we should be able to get him up around the top. And that's for Dentist Mississauga, and we're also going to continue to work on optimizing a few other keywords. So when it comes to SEO, what's really important is understanding that this is a long-term strategy. And so the reason most SEO companies or dental marketing companies are only going to show you page 1 results all the time. And what makes us a little bit different as a company is we want to share our customers' journeys and their journeys with everyone at all times. And so while every single one of our customers is at the top of Google within a year for the most competitive keywords, this is a really good example of a customer who's not at the top of Google yet, but that's because they've only been working with us for a few months. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Is I wanted to show you what work in progress looks like, and I wanted to share with you what a blended strategy looks like, because he's still seeing a return on investment with his marketing by using a clever Google AdWords strategy, and then we're reinvesting those profits into his long-term strategy. So if you're interested in this case, make sure you check this case back out in probably a year from now, which is when I'll update these case studies. If you are interested in growing your practice and want to chat with me and want to see what your ranking report looks like, give me a call or send me an email, and I'd be happy to chat. So that's all for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.